Hi, I'm Tejasvi Chandela. I'm a pastry chef as well as a chocolate maker and a mother to a beautiful baby girl, Sarana. She's 3 years old. And today I'm here to celebrate Mother's Day with Dialogue Room. Okay, honestly, I keep my goals really simple. As long as I am happy, I feel like I can make everyone around me happy. So the simplest thing that I do is focus on the little things in the day that make me happy. For example, going to work also makes me really happy. So when I come back home, I come back with my happiest self and I give my best to my daughter. All the time that I missed out on without her, I try to make up for it, and we spend time together, my daughter and my family. So yeah, that's my only goal. I feel like multitasking is a talent that most of us women have, and yes, it is a little difficult to juggle between work and home. But I feel like I've figured out a way to do it. I have a solid support system. My family is there in the same city as me. My husband is super supportive. So I don't find it that difficult. Although the only one thing sometimes I wish for is a little bit of Netflix and chill time on a daily basis. From Monday to Friday when I'm at work, if I can just get a little chill time, that would be great. But even without that, it's fine because I try and make up for that during the weekend. On the weekends, I do not work. See, I don't find it that difficult is because I have the luxury to take my daughter with me to work. So what happens is that whenever, for example, when she's back from school, she's with me, I'm making the macaroons, she's eating the macaroons, which is an occupational hazard. But I feel like I do have the luxury to take her with me to work, so I don't have to create any such boundaries of any sort. And she's happy, I'm happy, we're both together, and yeah. Currently, what I find is I'm missing my team terribly, and the only disadvantage for a chef is that a chef can't work from home. I can make videos for my viewers where I can teach them how to make something at home, but I have to be present in my kitchen to actually make the things to showcase it and for my customers to come and enjoy whatever I make. So yeah, that is a little bit difficult. I feel like hospitality industry does not work from home. So if you're from the hospitality industry, the best thing to do right now is to take the time off, because otherwise we never get time off. My suggestion to everyone would be that point number one, try and give your 100% to whatever you're doing. Be it home, be it work, try and be present in whatever you are doing. Two would be to actually try and take out a little bit of time for yourself. I know it's a little difficult, but try. Even if it's doing exercise, if that makes you happy, or reading, if that makes you happy, do it. Three would be time management. Time management is very important. I think you need to have some kind of a routine, some kind of a schedule throughout the day, so you know what you're doing at every point and you are a little more productive. Next would be, look, it is hard for everyone. We all have those days when we're having a meltdown. If you're having one, have it. Be present in that too. I mean, if you're having a meltdown, let go, cry it out. And just try and be true to yourself and your own emotions during the day. Don't try and set such goals that are unachievable. And if you've not been able to achieve a certain task in the day, it's okay, let go. There's always tomorrow and you can finish it then. And lastly, I'd like to say that stay positive and spread positive energy everywhere you go. Yeah. When I was not a mother, I remember just being a little more lazy about work, but somehow ever since I've had the baby, I am a lot more proactive. I feel like I have to get a lot done in the day, and I really push myself hard enough. So if you are feeling like you don't want to be productive, don't be productive. But there has to be, at some point, there has to be that realization that no, now I have to get up from that couch and do a little work, and try and keep a little bit of balance between chilling and working. And I think pretty much every non-mom or mom is doing a good job, whatever they're doing. So I'm not going to give them too much of my gyan. Everyone has their own journey. So yeah, whatever you're doing, just stay positive and be true to whatever you're doing. And also, lastly, I'd like to say a very happy Mother's Day to all my fellow mothers out there. We're all in this together. We will all sail through this together. And yeah, let's all stay positive and happy for ourselves, for our families, and especially for our children.